Hey everyone, today's an unboxing because I bought something on eBay. What's inside. Hold up. Yeah, I put black tape on this because of course I don't want you guys to look at my receipt thing. My jiggy. Okay, I just need to cut part of this off. Oh my god. Okay, wait. Let me just... Getting a bit frustrated right now. There we go. Oh. There we go. Here it is. It's the Rotoburst Turbo Chopper in its orange box. My favorite box. One of my most favorite Rotoburst boxes is this one right here. Let's see if the batteries work. Nope, they do not. Actually, I think you can just take this out, right? Or just the batteries come in the back. Look at that box. This is my absolute favorite box. The orange, it's just something about it. It just looks so good. So good. When was it released? 2000. Let's take it out. I'm gonna use some pliers or something. Do I even have it? I gotta check my drawer. Hold up. I got the all. Anyways, I was able to find these. Look, this is the old tape I put because it was greasy. There we go. Hopefully it can just come out like that. Nope, there's still something holding it down. There we go. Oh, wait. Oh, it's just a couple more, things to snap off. Oops. Oh, and right there too. There we go. Oh, one more thing. Like that, right? Oh, one more thing. I missed it. Right there and right there. Boom. This is so dusty. The box, I mean. Freewheeled. Oh crap, it is really dusty. Hold up. I gotta take out all this string. Right here. There we go. That's it, right? I think so. Yeah, I'm keeping this box. I'm gonna take out, all this wires thing, and I'm gonna use it in some thing, I don't even know. There we go. Okay, some parts of it is stuck in there. Yep. No more, right? Oh, yep, there's one more thing in there. What is this? Oh, whatever it was probably just slammed in there. Let me just... Oh, come on. Well, these parts, whatever this thing was, I don't know if it was a part of it. Probably not. Anyways, here it is. The batteries are dead, of course. I'm gonna have to take it out. There we go. And please, let's just pray there's no corrosion. How do you actually take this out? How do you take this out? Oh, I didn't even know. I didn't know these guys actually took AAAs. I thought they took, like, these ones. Well, I don't really... Oh, there's a bit of rust. These are demo batteries, of course. I don't have any, like, AAAs. I'm sorry. I don't have any AAAs, but I do have some AAAs in here. Gonna have to go to the dollar store and get some more. These AAAs. These Panasonic ones. Honestly, I really like how they look. They're really nice. Stuff them in there. Hold up. Right there. And like that. Where's my WD-40 at? I'm gonna lubricate this screw so it slides in there. This one right here. I'm gonna lubricate the screw. So whenever I put it back in, or whenever I'm putting batteries back in, there we go. I should really get a brush, honestly. Oh, yeah. Let me get a brush. Sorry if you guys are just seeing black. Right here. I don't even know how to set the camera, so I'm just gonna put it right. Come on. Right there. It's fine. So how was your guys' day? Mine was alright. I was about to say terrible, but that's a story for another day. Oh, I guess it's better if I do this, isn't it? To show you guys I'm cleaning it. It's really dusty. Oh crap, it is really dusty. Especially on the mirror parts. Gotta lubricate the wheels too, they're pretty squeaky. I'm gonna... It's really dusty. There we go. And now, I mean, I think I did enough. I don't know, but I did enough. Now it's just putting these things back together, and then grabbing the screw that I lubricated. There we go. There we go. And now let's test it out. Actually, I think it would be better if I sat it down in the box. You know, just make it look cool. All right, let's check it out. That's cool. I actually didn't know it would have the same exact sound as the, what's it called? The one that came in the blue box. What's it called? It's called Roadhogs, right? Yeah. I've always wondered this. Like, what if you hold it? Does it, like, repeat? Nope, it does not. I don't know what to do with it. Okay. This is really nice. I actually really like this guy. Even though it doesn't do much, it's pretty much as basic as a rotor can get. It's still pretty cool. Oh, I thought that says rotors, but no, it says Road Freedom. Turbo chopper. It would be nice if it, like, rumbled. I think, some turbo choppers do rumble, but this one doesn't. I kind of wonder how it looks like in the inside. I might open it up. Yeah, it's kind of squeaky. Yeah, this thing does move back and forth like this. Where's the speaker located? I think it's located right there, probably. Somewhere in the middle. Because I hear that somewhere in here. Yeah, that's it. That's pretty much all I gotta show y'all. Turbo chopper. Again, this is one of my most favorite rotor boxes. It just looks so cool. I just love how they mixed up the yellow, purple, and orange. It just looks so vintage, like 80s, you know? Free-wheeled action. Takes AA. Oh, I didn't even realize that. I thought I just said AA batteries, like one of these. Well, yeah, that's pretty much it. decide. Let's actually look at the box actually. Try me. Press button. Free-wheeled action. Ages 5 and up. Right here is choking hazard. Turbo chopper. Whoever like made this bike thing, what's it called? What is it called? Turbo chopper design, like the bike, like for the picture. Honestly, look, it just looks so good. Whoever made this. What's your Instagram? What's your Twitter? I need to follow you, my man. This is just awesome. Lights and sounds. Toy Sleep. This way. Oh my god, I got it. What up? Turbo chopper. Free-wheeled action. There's something in here. There's probably some leftovers. But yeah, whatever it's still in here, I can hear it still moving around. Well, whatever it is already out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to like and comment. Tell me how you like this video. See you.